Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you UAE teaching job. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.diabarsha.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, Dubai International Academy Al Barsha. In this main page, right corner menu available. If you click this link menu, you can get one of the option Our Community. In our community, one of the option careers available. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for academic year 21-22. So they are mentioned here. They are accepting new application for the academic year 21-22. Candidate applying to Dubai International Academy Al Barsha should forward their comprehensive CVs to diab.careers@diabarsha.com. So here they are offering a competitive package. So here they are given what are they are offering for the candidate. So we thank all the candidate for their interest. However, only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. Applicant who are required for an interview will receive an email notification. So here their vacancies are leadership, primary school and secondary school vacancies are available. So if your subject vacancies are available, you can apply as per the instructions. So leadership vacancies, deputy head of primary, primary school, Arabic, Islamic, art, music, PE, learning support, substitute teachers, and secondary school, English, mathematics, Arabic, Islamic, art, learning support, psychology, physics, chemistry, business studies, digital and product design. So these are the vacancies. Please put the position applied for as the subject of your email. So here they are given. So due to the expansion plans of the group, Dubai International Academy Education continually seek highly motivated staff with experience in international school. If you are in an international experience, they can prefer the candidate. So if you are interested in the job vacancies, you can forward your CV to diab.careers@diabarsha.com. The second one is you can enter in the URL cisabudabi.com. If you are entering this, you can get this main page, Canadian International School. So here top of the page you can get one option careers. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for academic year 21-22. So CA is always looking for qualified, dedicated people to join its team. So job opportunities 21-22 school year. For more information, please click the below for more details. So if you click this link teaching position, you can get one job vacancies ad. This is the Canadian International Abu Dhabi. They are recruiting teaching position for academic year 21-22. Physics, computer science, ELA, special education, literacy. So when they are going to start, August 2021 they are going to start these jobs. So what are the qualifications they are mentioned? Bachelor degree, minimum 2 years full-time teaching experience. So all the details are here given. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, job description, qualification, etc. So here what they offer competitive salary package with qualification and experience, round trip ticket, housing with utilities and medical and dental insurance. They are mentioned here. If you are interested in these job vacancies, you can email your resume hr@cisabudabi.com. So interviews will take place via Zoom. So however, only those selected for an interview will be contacted. If you want more details about this school, you can check it in the menu. Everything you can get in from menu itself. So if you are interested in applying, please fill out our job application form and email it and your CV. So you can submit your application form and CV hr@cisabudabi.com. So application form here available. If you click this link application form, you can get application form PDF. So this is Canadian International School application form. Only 2 pages in this application form. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are only 4 sections in this application form. You will require to send up-to-date CV maximum of 2 pages and this filled application form. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. So if you are selected, they will contact via email. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.dessc.sch.ae. So I will give it to the direct link in the description. You can use and apply as per the instruction. So here if you are entering this, you can get this main page. In this main page, one of the option work with us. If you click this link work with us, you can get current teaching job opportunities. So Dubai English Speaking College. So vacancies for teacher of design and technology. The closing date of job application is 12th June 2021. The job are going to start August 2021. So the successful applicant will have the relevant qualification, minimum 1 year's teaching experience in the UK curriculum and qualified teacher status. So what are the compensation and benefits package include here? They are offering the candidate highly competitive salary, accommodation, medical insurance, annual flight, tuition fee up to 2 children, end of service, gratuity. So if you are interested for these job vacancies, you can check it in the job description here. So this is the class teacher, main responsibilities and expectations. This is the job description. Make sure before applying, please check the all details. So application form here available. If you click this application form, you can get. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So this is the application form, only 5 pages in this application form. So they are not accepting CV. So here itself they are given CVs will not accepted and only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. So if you are interested the job vacancies of teacher of design and technology, you can submit the job application form via email. So here apply now. If you click this link apply now, it will be redirected to email. So you can send your job application form desc_jobs@dessc.sch.ae. So this is the way you have to submit job application for teacher of design and technology. The closing date is 12th June 2021. So before that you can submit your job application as per the instruction. The fourth one is you can enter in the URL www.efischool.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, Emirate Future International Academy. In this main page, one of the option careers available. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for academic year 21-22. So they are looking for qualified and experienced professional in the following categories of the academic year 21-22. Teaching job vacancies of French, Hindi, music. Qualification bachelor or master degree with B.Ed or M.Ed. Non-teaching job librarian and SEN coordinator. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, you can forward your updated CV to careers@efischool.com. So here they are mentioned. So candidates should satisfy the following requirement: attested degree certificate, final degree mark statement, that means your consolidated mark sheet, 2 years of teaching experience, UAE residence visa. So these are the things that they are expecting from the candidate. Only selected candidate will be contacted by the school. So these are the vacancies for Emirate Future International Academy. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, you can comment. I will reply to you. Thank you.